You can ask him.
What I will speak, bro.
Okay, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. How about you?
Okay, can you remember that?
Yes, I was saying nowadays the height of girls are decreasing.
Yeah. That's not like that. It's like in your area that's going on, but in my area, girls are growing.
Yes.
Okay, now let me show another boy who was roaming over here.
Yes. So another boy is that side. He's standing
Are-
there. He's busy in talking. He's busy in talking now
Okay.
because gradually now
So
the boys
you
are
all
coming.
people are playing.
Yes, yes. Gradually, yes. Now I think for boy like my friend, and one is there in that side. So and again some boys will come from the village, and we will start playing. I will not play but they will play. Yes, but I will enjoy. I will enjoy.
You will just see over here.
Yes. Yes, what? I came to know episode N. So I'm improving my English and connecting with people through Gmail ID and using many applications also. That's why nowadays I'm improving my communication skill. Yes.
Okay, really great. And talking about this, how did you started like from doing conversation you improved a lot or
Yes.
by doing these classes that you are talking about?
Yes.
There are many apps in which we can do conversation, but about you, what about you?
Yes. Really. But if I talk about myself, I use too much episode nowadays. Episode application where you can talk with one person, 7 minutes you can talk. But more than 7 minutes also you can talk, but you have to send request to that person to talk more. So I'm talking. Yes. Do you know episode N?
Okay. Are you at the mountain areas?
No. Yes, yes. This is you can see behind me. That is the forest. Yes, and this is ground of football. Like people play football here, but now it is not time of playing.
Yes,
After
it's
some
looking
30
like
minutes,
that.
they will come to play.
Okay, so you are going to play.
Yes, yes. I will. I don't like to play
Yeah.
football. My friend also does not like to play football. Only we can't keep coming here for looking them. We are before we were interested in football, but now we lost all interest in football because of learning this language. And my friend also, he was also quite interested, but he's interested in dancing and cricket. Yes.
Okay, really nice. And you don't like to play football. What game do you like to play?
Yes. So I like to play. Yes. Sometimes I play cricket, but and football. Before I
Yeah,
was
boys
playing.
like that games. Every boys like that game.
Really, cricket. I think if I talk about players of cricket, lots of people can be for playing cricket, and mostly, if you will check mostly area, only cricket is played, right? If you'll go to city area, I have seen
Yes.
because I before some days I was in the city.
I am in village and in village area, boys are playing. My cousins are also playing.
Okay.
So yeah, boys like that game very
Yes.
much.
So tell me about your
So do
hobbies.
you play?
Yes. So what were
Okay,
you asking?
talking about my hobbies, I like to plant trees, and also second thing, I like to do art, like making drawings of people's. I used to do that when I was in grade 7th, and I also like, but currently I don't have that much time to do that stuff.
Yes.
So that's why I'm not doing that. And what I want to become is that I want to become engineer.
Oh, you wanna become engineer? Yes. Great. Yes. You will really become. Yes.
Yes. And what?
Oh, you asking
And
about
what do
me?
you want to become?
Yes, yes. If I talk about myself, I want to become
Yes.
IS officer.
Okay, yeah, I know. When I was small, everywhere in my school, boys and girls, everyone was saying that I want to become IS, and you're
Yes, yes,
also
this is-
saying.
Yeah,
So why do you want to
highest
become
score.
IS?
Yes. Ask.
Why do you want to become IS officer?
Yes, I want to become because what will you say? By becoming IS officer, I can know development of place, right? Really.
Yes. You can do improvement in your village. Also, there are many things to improve, so you can improve there. And talking about me, why I want to become engineer, because I like mathematics, and
Oh.
I also like when we do
My friend.
by AI.
Yes.
I like AI so much. Okay. What do you
my
want to say?
Yes, my friend is also good at in mathematics like you.
Okay.
So
Okay.
shall I call him to ask
Yeah,
one
maths
question
is
in
hard.
mathematics?
Is math hard for him also? Okay.
Really?
Is it scrolling?
Yes. It's what?
And is he scrolling phone?
No, no, no. I think maybe he's watching something on his phone. Yes, like that.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now this question I want to ask from you: how do you maintain such and fast speed of speaking English?
Yes, actually, I do practice of spoken English language at home. Yes, even I keep going to institute mostly for motivation purpose. And in this year, I have gone to 3 institute where I motivated students. And recently, I came before 2 days.
Okay.
I had gone to the city where I was staying for teaching and motivation purpose for the students of class 10 recently, those
Okay.
who gave exam of 10 class and inter body. So I was motivating them there and teaching them and giving them guidance to learn English ideas, that all. And like that my work is to go different areas where institute are available. People keep calling me, I will go like that. And I will take my friend also, he will also motivate them. Like that.
Okay. Okay.
Really.
And you get motivated first from your teachers.
Yes.
So your teachers also know how to speak English?
Yes, why not? Yes, my teacher, he also knows. He is South Indian, so he knows very well how to speak. He is South Indian from Tamil Nadu.
Okay, that's
Yes.
really great.
Yes. He is living in
Yeah.
Sahibganj. Yes,
Yeah,
I keep
people
meeting him.
from there can speak English fluently. They are really good in English. And talking about your in your family, who else speak?
Yes. If I talk about in my family, my father, he knows little, I think not like me, but he knows some English. But if I talk about my mother, she does not know,
Okay.
but she can manage somehow, but she knows reading very well. Very well, as I was before. In the beginning time, I was not able to speak English, but I was reading very well. Also in the beginning time, like that, she is in that stage. Like my mother, she can read English, but she cannot speak too much like good English. But my father, like I'm teaching, like keep speaking at home. So my father, he is also learning spoken English language from me. Even but if I talk about my brother, he knows very well how to speak English. Yes, a small brother, I think maybe 13 years old, and my sister, I think more than my sister, my brother knows English. You can think like that.
Okay, yeah, nice. And all this about you. Okay, so now I have question. When you made it, like you are also started, you get fluent in grade 8, and I am also starting this in grade 8, like ending of the grade 8.
Yes.
So how did you just like for your first video? How were you speaking in the first video?
Yes. If recently I checked my first video also. I think before 2 days I was watching my first video on one another phone. So really differences I got. What video I make, what I'm speaking nowadays, and what I was speaking before. In first video. So really many differences I got in pronunciation and English also. That time I was not too much fluent as I am
Okay.
nowadays. Nowadays I think I am speaking better than before. Before I was fluent, but
Yeah.
I was able to speak without fear, but not fluently I was able to speak, but making mistakes, lots of mistakes. Yeah, if I will compare my before English with what I speak now. Yes, like that.
Yeah, there is really so much improvement in that. Okay, now I want to ask that how this thing came in your mind that you have to speak English.
Yes, this thought came for me when when I was listening in the beginning time when I was in class 7. That time many people used to come to school out where I used to study for meeting the principal, and they used to speak English. Even in our school, English speaking competition used to be always. So I was listening them, and that time
Yeah.
I was not able to speak English, so I was getting motivation, and I was also thinking that time I should learn English at all cost. That time it was quite hard to learn English. I think very well that time when it was the year of 2021 or 22 around. That time mostly people used to have keypad mobile, I think and it was quite a bad situation for the people to
Yeah.
get Android mobile that time. So that time I had keypad mobile, Geo phone, around in 2022, but in 2021 that time keypad mobile, not 4G, where I cannot, I was not able to run internet and watch online related videos. And you can think that if you have keypad mobile in which you cannot run internet, so you cannot learn English from online from YouTube.
Yes.
Like that. So it was quite easy, hard. But that time people used to tell to learn English language from America. Like they used to say, Jadu, I will go to America to learn English. I will go to America to learn English, like that. My friend also, they told me to,
Okay.
I'm going to America to learn English because I cannot learn English here because I'm not getting partner with whom I will talk. Even many people are saying, I'm busy, how can I talk, like that. So when I, bought a smartphone, then I started learning English language. Now someone does not need to go abroad country to learn English. Now sitting at home they can learn, like from their Mumbai, right? This time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we can talk. If we make environment, we can speak English definitely. And talking about your channel, so you started your channel and you have 70,000 subscribers over there.
Yes.
So how do you feel that you have this much subscribers?
Yes. In the beginning time, if I talk about beginning time, when I had a less subscriber, that time I was thinking that, I will not be able to make my name, I will not be able to get success. People will not be able to know my skills, like that. But when I got this much subscribers, now, if I talk about my area, many people, they are recognizing me, that Jadu is coming. Wherever I will
Yes.
go by bike or by vehicle, they will recognize me. Mostly,
Yeah.
yes. Mostly I do not put on mask on my face, so that's why they are able to recognize me. Yes, if I'll go anywhere. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. People say that Jadu is a YouTuber. No, this happens.
Yes.
Okay, so are you earning with your channel?
Yes. Money, yes, I'm getting, but in the beginning time, I did not have that kind of thoughts that I should earn money from YouTube. I was thinking only for improvement, getting improvement through my channel. But gradually, subscribers started like growing on my channel in the beginning time. So that's why I decided now I will get money also, and also AdSense pin, everything I got. Then I came to know that this was a YouTube process
Yeah.
to earn money from the beginning to end. I came to know.
Yes.
Yes.
So you started to earn money, or you started to just improve your English?
Yes, I'm earning money also, and if I talk about my earning, more than lakh of money I earned so far.
Okay.
Lack of money, yes.
Okay, so can I? Okay. And do your parents also say like this that you have to? Why are you doing such things? Do they ever say like this?
Yes, in the beginning time, my parents were avoiding, like they were ignoring, and people were ignoring me. Like Jadu is doing whatever Jadu is doing. That is like he will not be able to get success in that thing. In the beginning time, people were saying about me crazy. If I from the beginning again, let me tell about my story. In the beginning time. Around in 2022, I was running one channel,
Yeah.
Hindi English Fact Official. In that channel, only for getting improvement of reading, so that I can read English very well and my pronunciation can be better. For that, I had created that channel, So I was always making video in the forest area because I cannot speak loudly in the village. If I speak loudly before many people, if some people are here, so they will say me crazy. He's crazy. He's speaking to himself. So I was going to forest. So one day, my friend Ajay was with two more friends from his village. So they saw me and came directly and they asked me, Yadu, what are you doing? So I first of all, without like when they were not asking me anything, they were thinking that Jadu, like he may be crazy like that. But when they came closely to ask, so they asked me, Jadu, what are you doing? So I told them I am learning spoken English, like that.
Okay.
Yes. So really, he became my friend. He gave me his mobile that time, and I checked.
Yes.
He had downloaded. Yes.
Okay. So he gave you to make videos.
No, he gave me that he wanted to like so that I can prove that he is also crazy to learn English. That's why
Okay.
he gave me his mobile, so that I can know that he is also
Okay.
crazy to learn English. He had downloaded many videos in English. Yes, like that.
Yes. Okay, so talking about how much money do you earn from the YouTube?
YouTube, yes, rather well money I can get. I can buy smartphone, cheaply smartphone I can buy easily in 1 month. Yes, that much.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But in the beginning time, I was finding difficult
So
to
why?
yes know about process of earning from YouTube. But now it is quite easy. If you will complete 1000 subscribers for 1000 watch time, then automatically your earning will start.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. And you are saying that you have this much. So, like, do you find interesting to live here, or do you think that you should go further, like in cities or in other countries to learn?
Yes. Yes. Now after some days, I'm
You are saying
about to
that
go to
you
the
have
city
this.
for staying. In the city, I will stay because there already I was called. Even I was said, if you will stay there, lots of opportunity to teach and part-time job of teaching you will get here. So that's why I'm about to go.
Yeah.
Even after completing my study, according to my parents, they want me to open institute or a school of English medium where I can teach and lots of students. I'm thinking. Yes.
Okay. So, how do you feel after doing this much things? And what did you did today?
Yes. Today,
Tell about
before
today.
2 hours, I was finding out structures. Like mostly I give my time nowadays whenever I get free time. When I will be at home, whenever I will get free time. So mostly I will spend my time to grow my skills of English too much because already I learned basic English. Nowadays I am trying to learn more advanced English. I'm going to make myself strong in English
Okay.
so that I can teach anyone in English like that. All topic I am going to explore very well. Through
Yeah.
ChatGPT, sometime I use ChatGPT. I ask how can I use this word, that word. So I'm writing that and making note of that, and I'm learning that also. Uses of every words like that.
Okay.
Keep using. Also, my friend is learning nowadays.
Okay.
Yes,
So, what have you improved in English?
yes. You ask me about my friend.
Yes. How much have you improved in English?
Yes, he has improved his English a lot. Now he can speak good English. You can ask him.
What I will speak, bro.
Okay. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. How about you?
Okay. What? I am fine. I'm doing great. And in which standard are you?
11th. 11th. 11th.
10th.
11th.
Okay. 11th.
Yes.
Okay. So people are saying that 11th math is so hard. What about you? How do you feel about math subject?
I'm a student of arts. No.
But he is
Oh,
before.
you took art.
पहले
Yes,
साइंस था ना.
Yes, before.
पहले साइंस रखा था. Yes, before he had science subject.
Why are you speaking Hindi, bro?
Before मतलब कि उसका
Okay.
yes.
I don't know so much. I don't know so much about 11th because currently I'm in grade 9th.
Yes.
Okay, why didn't he choose any other subject? Why art?
Yes, actually, it happened. Many students they like change their subject into arts.
Bro, you told-
They are finding
Bro,
difficult
bro,
now.
bro, you
Yes,
tell-
that's why.
Bro, you tell him.
Okay. And there are, I can see at behind over there are some cows also. I can see.
Cows and that is school and work of college is going on there. Work of college like building. College is being built there, and that is my school also. Yes, where I studied, and yes, and
Okay.
people are available.
You have a very big area where you can run, where you can play so much.
Really,
In my
this is
area
big
there are
ground.
fields. So is there also so many fields?
Yes. So, what game you like to play too much?
Do you have? I
Yes.
About me, I like to play. Before I used to play cricket. I also used to. There are many games. So badminton. There is not a one game which I like the most. I like every game.
Okay. Oh, every game, right? Yes, yes,
Yeah, every game.
yes. So you come
So
from
any other
the
questions?
yes, you come from the city or from the village? You come. You are
I
from
came from village.
oh village.
Uttar
Yes,
Pradesh from John village.
yes, yes. And do you know Prayagraj, Mahakumbh?
Yeah, I know Prayagraj. About
yes.
this year in 2025, all the peoples were coming to worship and they were bathing in that. There was a song also, Prayagraj.
Yes, yes. One
know
song is
Prayagraj.
available. I heard. I keep hearing that. My friend is hearing.
Did you also came to Prayagraj?
Yes, one time. Yes, one time.
I haven't gone.
How did you feel?
I felt very well. First time, if you will go anywhere first time, you can feel very well. So same, I felt because there I went first time, so I was feeling very well. Yeah, yes, really.
Yeah.
So you come from the village.
Okay.
Tell me one thing. You come from the village area. So in your village, is there any student like who is better than you in English, or you are only?
Okay, let me tell you. My sister is more fluent than me, and no one is fluent here.
Oh, yes, yes. It means like
Do you have ever saw my channel, all the videos over there?
maybe I have seen some of your videos. Not on your channel, maybe on someone's channel you have taken session, maybe, right?
Okay, from there you find me.
Yes, yes. So can you tell me about your channel? I think you are also making, I think maybe.
Yeah, I am also making, and I have 8.6k subscribers, and my channel is monetized. So I am making English content. First, I started to improve my English. Then I started talking with my sister, doing conversations. Then after that, doing conversation, then I started this thing, making my own videos,
Okay.
like talking about grammar things and that things.
Okay.
Then after again, I started this conversation.
So what's your channel name?
So this is about my channel, and my channel name is Apurva Yadav. It's my name.
Oh, yes. Maybe what did
And
you
I
tell?
started this
Yes.
on 25 December.
Maybe one of your
2025.
one video I have seen on your channel. I think this channel well known to me. I think maybe somewhere I have seen you. Also your channel I have seen. I was not
Okay.
now I remembered. Yes, I came to know that is your channel, right?
Okay, what
And do you know
was that
Prachi?
video?
Yes, what?
What are you saying?
Yes. Do you know Prachi Pandey? I think one girl newly started channel of English.
Yes. Yes, I know about her.
English with Santha and
She also make, but she don't make conversation videos. She only makes about her. She started to improve her English. Then she started to make the content about English, how they can also learn.
really.
I know about
yes.
her.
Nowadays, if I talk about English, nowadays mostly conversation related videos are good. Nowadays going on well, right, and getting viral too much. But solo types
Yeah.
of video, no one is making now. Very less people are making solo types of video now.
Yes.
Everyone started making conversation video talking because episode and application also came up, and also beginners, the people who come from the village, they also started to make conversation video. Yes, but before
Yeah.
it was not like that.
Yeah.
Really.
We people started just to improve our English, and our channel sometimes grows very fast, and we get popular from that.
Yes, really.
Village people channel. So, any questions from me?
Yes. So why not? Yes. So can you share some ideas that you follow, that you use to become fluent in English? Because some people want to know, they want to know about your ideas that you are following to become fluent in English. What ideas you are using to become fluent in English? Because they know very well about my ideas, but they want to know about your ideas that you follow.
Okay. Okay, let me tell about my ideas. So, talking about me, I am not using any idea. Let me clear one thing. I am just improving by doing conversation with
Yes.
my sister. First thing, and second thing, I watch videos of the foreigners, of the people who are making podcast video. I just listen to them, and then I do the shadowing thing. Also, I speak from there, and sometimes I write about my thing, like what I have done today. So talking about my ideas, there are two things only. I watch videos on YouTube about English, and second thing, I do conversation with my sister.
Yes.
So this thing I do so that I am fluent. I am speaking English over here.
So tell me, you are in English medium or in Hindi medium? You come from Hindi medium or from English medium?
I come from English medium.
Oh, that's why your English is quite good. Yes, quite good.
No.
Your English is.
No, that is not the reason. That is not the reason. Let me tell you.
Yes.
See, people think that if they are in English medium, they are studying in English medium, so they get fluent in English.
Yes.
But no, it's not about that. People in my schools cannot speak English perfectly. There are peoples. So if you just take it like I have to speak English, then only you will be able to speak. There is not like if you go in English medium, so you will be able to speak
Yes, yes.
English.
Really,
Just like let
mentally,
me
yes.
take your example. You are in Hindi medium. If you take like when I will go in English medium, then only I will be able to speak. So you will never get fluent. You put this in your mind that I have to become fluent. That's why you are speaking. So
Really.
same thing happens with us also.
Yes, really, because
Yeah.
I have
I
gone
have
to many
just
English
learned
medium.
after talking to my sister.
Yes.
I have just learned after talking to my sister
Oh,
and this watching videos. There is nothing like that I have learned from the school. This
okay.
English.
Yes. Great. All the same, like success you got in this language, and like you said, very
Yeah.
right thing. Nowadays, because I have gone to many English medium schools to meet, and for knowing about situation, how they are teaching like that, and also for meeting purpose, I
Yeah.
have gone. So, I have seen many English medium where students don't know how to speak English, whether they study in English medium.
Yes.
Yes, and same situation is with one school is in my village. That is government school, but English medium. But no one knows how to speak good English. Even one student he took admission in Hindi medium after dropping out of like English medium. He directly took here in 7th
Yeah.
class. But I came to know that there also like studies not going on well because he couldn't learn any language, English language, even after studying 6th
Yes.
class. Honestly, he couldn't learn anything, but his reading skills is very good. But
Yeah. This thing.
yes,
Yeah. This thing is real that he's saying. I have also there. This is also my in this area at my village. There is also a government school in which it is from 1 to 5, and they also it is in English medium, and from 6 to 8 there is Hindi medium. So when you will go there, they will teach you English, but it's not like that you will speak English there. Same thing that your friend, whatever you are talking about, he dropped out from the English medium and started speaking in Hindi. Started going in Hindi medium. So he have learned by himself. It's not like he have went to there
yes, really, yes.
to learn.
Great.
Okay.
You have any kind of
Okay.
question?
So
You have any
What?
kind of question? You can ask me. What which you want to know about me, like journey, or what you want to ask? Any question you have?
okay, there is. I have talked so many questions, but I want to ask who put it this your name, Jadu. It's looking very
yes.
amazing.
Yes,
Really?
Jadu, really, this is unique name. If I talk about this name, my father, yes, he put this name, for me, and really he liked this name, and he was
Okay.
thinking that if I will keep my child's name, this, will be unique, and people will be able to recognize, because no one likes to keep this name in my area. Only my name is Jadu here, so many easily people can
Okay.
recognize, and we have to keep such name, which name people mostly don't like to keep, so that we can be viral. People can know us easily and remember that Jadu one person, only one person.
Okay.
Yes, like that.
Yeah. This depends on you. If you like your name, so you can put it. Do you like your name?
Yes, yes, I like my name. Yes,
Okay. Also, if you like your name, that's good. If you don't like, you can change it. For me, it's perfect. You get viral from this.
yes.
And also, talking about this, also, what do you want to say? All the people who are watching this video, they say they have such excuses that I'm not from English medium. I'm from village. So how can I speak? So what do you want to say those people?
Yes, yes. So I want to give, for them such like suggestion. I think many students they think I come from, I come from Hindi medium. I come from village area. I cannot learn English language. I have mobile. So if they think like that,
Yeah.
they should not think this in this era. If I talk about spoken English in this time, for everyone is quite is like easy now because they have mobile. Whether a person is poor, come from what let's say
Yeah.
threadbare house, like he can also learn English language. It is not hard, now. If you will watch, if he can read English very well, so also speaking he can do. So they have to use their time like
Yeah, they just need to be patient and consistent
yes.
on the thing they are doing.
really without paying money they can learn
Okay, so
English
where your
language.
friend gone?
Yes, my friend is available. You can see.
Yeah.
They are taking.
Oh,
Both of
there
them
are two
taking
guys
selfie
now.
there. No photo. Yes.
Okay, can you show me the another guy who came?
Yes, you can see.
He is looking smaller.
Yes, smaller. Yes, maybe.
Could you go there? Just go there and show
I think
me
same
over
age.
there.
Your age and
Who are
his
they?
age is same. Yes, small. but he is in, I think,
Okay.
maybe, I think, what do you know about girl? Like mostly they grow suddenly, right? Girl, like the girls grow suddenly, but boys they do not grow suddenly, I think, maybe. This is right.
At my area, so this is like girls are not that type of growing, but boys they are so tall. So
Really,
like
also in my
at
area, also in my area.
house there is a door,
Yes, yes.
and the taller teachers from them also students are taller than them.
Really?
They are very
Yes,
tall,
yes.
and at here I can say in my area boys are going so many fast. Your area there will be like girls are not growing very fast, but in my area
Really.
boys grows very fast.
In my area, if I talk about the height of girls
Yeah.
are decreasing. Now in my area, you know,
Girls are decreasing. Why?
girls are not, height of girls.
Okay, height.
Yes,
Height.
height. Yes.
So yeah, in our area also girls are not so much taller. Like before when I was in grade